This is a walkthrough of the Drawdown Solutions modeling system. There is a document describing how to install the software to run locally along with needed dependencies at the URL shown on the screen. Drawdown Solutions is implemented as a Jupyter notebook. When started, it looks like this with introductory text at the top and small cells of Python code. To initialize the model system, place the cursor in the first block of code and click the Run button at the top of the screen. This will generate a list of all of the available solutions with some graphical depictions of their potential impact toward drawdown. There is a checkbox next to each solution to select it for further information. Select the solutions of interest, then place the cursor in the second code block before clicking the Run button again. This will run the models for 3 scenarios of each chosen solution: plausible, drawdown, and optimal, and display the detailed results of the model.
The Summary tab shows an overview of the high-level results of the model. The Model tab shows how the different pieces fit together, and the remaining tabs show detailed results from each portion of the model.